का नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए। ए मेंबर while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for please use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its subject. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें। पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on rule 352 clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया। Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए।
ठीक।
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए। उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ। आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record. Now you can speak.
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
You have made allegation. You have made allegation that will not go on the record.
Sir, agree, sir. But rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352 mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister, two former Prime Ministers. Where was this rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it.